Well, I've been a plane enthusiast since I was a young child, and in particular, we have a real love of radial engine aircraft, and this is the last 4-engine radial aircraft that was really built in the UK. This particular aircraft was the first one ever built, and what we're trying to do is save it from being cut up and sold for scrap. Well, the aircraft itself was designed and built in the 1950s, not too long after the Second World War, and in actual fact it spent a lot of its time doing humanitarian and rescue work. Its wingspan's 167 feet, which is more than twice that of a tennis court. There was quite a large order for them, and they actually built 49. It is the only survivor. So we feel very passionately that we need to try and save this if we can. We're going to take it up to a location where it will be able to stay for the rest of its life, and at that point it will require refurbishing and rebuilding. For us to move it, what we're going to have to do is take it apart, take it to pieces carefully, and then transport it all the way down to Selby, which is just south of York. Well, what we need really is everyone's help. From £1 upwards would be of huge benefit, and all the money will go to the preservation of this aircraft.